Your food is ready.
Thank you. I'm not hungry.
But you know I will cook.
And you know I'll be late, so you're not supposed to cook anything for me.
You can't do this. At least eat something.
There's no room for anything.
Honey.
Me, I'm not happy. Oh. I'm not happy.
What is it?
Every school, my friends, so mom go school, called you see. I'm just here doing nothing.
Lina, unim sisi kan ni ho. Eh? Nti, Jane, I'll pass away.
Madam for Doreen, Juma or junction, so at least Miss and Juma that I can use it for something. It's better than some metete have me BBL. I mean, it's not right.
Okay. Ijuma Bensa.
Your hair, makeup, lashes.
Okay. I'll go and see her. We'll talk about it.
You know what?
Unim say we need jail na me ni age.
Mama go see Juma now.
Mama wa ko.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. My family want drink. I don't need you. My family want drink too. Wow. Thank you.
Na sika se mo. Ko fa sika yi wan.
That boy is fearless. He's the kind of guy every company needs. Okay, I'll do that. All right.
Hey, honey.
I hope you're not here to order me to go and eat.
Honey, what exactly did I do wrong?
Me patrol. Me power chow. Ubit me jam ya mama ye me juma in peace.
Gosh. Why are you doing this? This is too hard for me.
Aye. Oh yeah, send me catch up. Aye.
Hey, who cleaned this place today? Hey, Shefin. Huh? And you tell me that you have cleaned all this place? Mushe! Look at her face. Five minutes, brother, mention. Hey, I bet say no one year, Juma, Papa. Kasa, konkonsa. My customer be mommy information be saying to Wahan. My customer come back complaining. I can't be with the mayor. Nonsense. Oh, hello. Hey, where did you find a chair for you? Oh, please. Come on. Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's one of those things there. Don't worry. Come on.
Yeah, good afternoon, once again.
Oh, afternoon.
I guess you are the CEO.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Excuse me, sir. Please, should I give you water?
Oh, fine. Thank you.
Not even a song.
Hey! It's one of those things.
Yeah. Okay, madam, we will maybe Mrs. Tam, me pese me de ne be sua ejuma.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I'm here. Me pese me hu you know, they are being here and other things. Me na me hu kwan am fa so am de ne beba.
Oh, no problem. Wako school kakra.
Oh yeah, she's very educated, yes.
Okay. Then I have no problem. You just have to come and take a phone, and then my girl will attend to you. She will call you.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, you know, what I want to know is that I want to know the money involved so that I'll prepare myself. The next time I'm coming here, I'm coming straight with her.
Everything is on the phone, and my girl too will call you.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, thank you very much.
Oh, you are welcome. So, Doreen! Doreen!
Ma!
But your place is very nice.
Oh, yes, of course. It's a nice place. So, you follow her and take the phones.
Madam, please, is he the one coming to?
Shut up!
I just wanted to know. Please, let's go.
Just leave him.
Thank you.
Oh, don't mention.
The forms, eh? Did you say the forms? Sorry.
Good morning, baby. Breakfast is ready. I've packaged.
Don't you get it? I'm not interested. Go on.
She's a nice girl.
All right, madam. I believe I have met all your requirements.
Yes, I've seen it all.
So this is my sister.
Oh, yeah.
She's
as I
called
said.
Lena.
Lena.
Yes.
Oh, nice name. Thank you. You are welcome here. I hope you're a very cool girl.
Yes,
But we need that for what's it?
Madam, one thing is that Odamakuma Sopa. She's so dear to my heart. Timi Baucho. Any complaint, just let me know.
I will. Don't worry at all. I will. Lena, is it Lena?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what a nice name. Beautiful girl too. Well, you don't know who she had there now. Wow. So, Oprah, no, what's up? Eh? Okay, let me call the other colleagues. Doreen! Doreen!
Ma!
Come with your other friend. Come. Okay, so these are your colleagues. So, no friends, eh? What I say you should do, you do it.
Yes,
this is the senior, and then Doreen, and then Ajua. By anything, tell me. I am the CEO, and I am the madam. Any complaint, come and tell me.
Yes,
Not her.
Yes,
Okay,
But I'm the senior.
Lena,
Yes,
please, I beg you. You know where we are coming from. So please, I want you to work hard. Okay?
I will.
Madam, thank you very much.
Oh, you are welcome.
But please, what time do you close?
7.
Please, it's 8. When customers are here, we close at 8.
You know what? Don't mind her. It's 7.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. All right.
I'm glad you came. I'm not okay, trust me. Dear Kosono, Mitimin Yashi, what's your hammer? Oh, thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, hammer, I don't know what to do.
What has he done this time around?
I'm talking about how he goes around with girls and, you know, it is affecting me. Trust me. Can you imagine? You know I love him so much. Me who tete, minda.
I want to say so too far won't see.
Mame. Mitio. Who me fear ube hu die koso. Of
late Nankasano, you need to know, say, girls are yet wild with streets in the so. Say, girls are almost crum. Yeah, yes, you. Streets are yes, you. O ring go ahead. Where's your ring? Oba worry for a wedded wife out on without a ring. What do you expect your husband to do? Hmm?
I know, but Cindy, we are not talking about that. I'm talking about how he goes around with these girls and, you know, it's really affecting me. Makuma, me dao.
Don't you
I
think?
don't sleep.
Don't you think, sir, you are the main cause of the problem in the marriage? Because Oba worry for one show kawade. Be me be a bedroom say, na me yiri ama worry na one show kawade. Obey so uche. Odi anyahwe yen chie sika kra what you say. Obey anything shares.
Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
Ade ni na say odi nyaboche. And it's not make us say yen chie say.
Oh sweet revenge.
Whatever
goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
Are you okay?
Bro, me you okay? Oh.
What's wrong?
I don't have money. I couldn't even go to work. My sister, I'm just going to go and work and pay Juma. Oh, fear. Me didi yes, so ni fear. I could chase
Lina, me, sorry, why I mean, sorry. Okay, mommy, few hours, why, may I arrange the amount, why?
Okay, so when are you coming? Dabe na oba. What check?
Either today and after tomorrow, why?
Okay, sure.
Let's send those tickets this year, why?
But sure, you. Thank you.
Okay.
Take care. I'll be good.
Alright, yeah. Take care of yourself, too.
Okay, bro. Love you.
Okay.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around.
Oh, yabe jina ha cho. The word number.
Beautiful revenge.
I'll bring you who thing, Charlie. You for look sharp. Hey!
I miss you.
I miss you
Hi,
too.
hi.
How are
Hi,
you
bro.
doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I don't know what you say.
Oh, bro. Don't send me away, Juma. You know how mommy will behave.
Oh, come
Put
on.
her friend from his hand.
About 30 minutes sooner yet then. I just want to take you so we could get some ice cream.
30 k. 30 what? Minutes. Me. And they say you man me jai.
Oh, come on.
I can't go with you. Because me you beat you now friend me and my lie you know. Mommy wait there. My person ordinance and baby me so please.
So what do we do now?
Listen, go out, get me the ice cream. Get me all the things. When I get home, you will celebrate. But for now, remember what you told me. You said I should remember where I'm coming from. Oh,
Yes, but sometimes, you know, I've been lonely too much.
I have to learn hard for you. For the money you paid.
Okay, that's fine, that's
Okay,
fine. Just
so I'll
be a
see you
good
later.
girl. All right.
Okay.
Be good, yeah?
Hi, bro. Okay. Hi, bye.
care,
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sis. Hey. Enter the camera, Kuku. You know the watch I'm like that.
What a beautiful revenge. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around.
Yes? Hey, Jessie.
Am I welcome?
Of course. Come on, make yourself comfortable.
Hi, how have you been?
Well, I can't complain, but what can I do?
So what brings you here?
Well, I don't want to say this, but I have to.
Jessie, is everything okay?
I am tired. I'm really tired. Your friend has stopped eating my food. Not to talk of touching me.
What? Has it gotten to that extent?
And you know, I'm really pained. So pained.
Jessie, it's okay. Okay? I will talk to him.
I will be very happy. Because it hasn't been easy for me at all.
I'll talk to him, so don't worry. I'll talk to him.
I hope he listens.
He will.
Because...
Just take it easy, okay?
Okay. I trust you.
I will.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hey, Jessie, don't mention, okay? Come on.
But hey, you're looking good.
Enough of the complaints.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jessie deserves better. She's your wife. Come on. Why? Why are you treating her that way? Like, I understand, okay? But so why only me, ma? Charlie, it's not like I'm starving her or I'm not eating her food. Charlie, the load is high these days. Maybe if you know my bread. Roxy, there is always a way out. So name said yeah, no. At least, man who suka cry or ba make her happy. Don't forget she's your wife. You're welcome, Mate. Ah, are you treating her as if you are a child? You're welcome, Mate. Charlie, drink. Ah. No. The way they treat the girl, they Like, me see what come at it. Matthias here, but Charlie, up your game. I say you too much. And it's not fun, man. You be big boy. Stop behaving like a child.
As at 8 o'clock, I feel a lady advert now, and I'm so sorry. I was in traffic, and Madam Suti Abena Ghana when you.
So now what's
The
happening?
time me the traffic go do fee.
Me, my can't tell me to say, Obi Baha 7:30 cram me my pon. Ade madam no oyeminia. Oyemebuseni. Onyeska no digumi boto.
But you don't respect. Who kasa who be a jumo be obi. And remember, we have cameras around. Me na miss you. I'm starting talking.
That's the worst thing she can do.
It's okay, I'm not interested.
The worst thing she can do is
Madam, our cameras move.
into there.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
How are you?
You're welcome. I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me leave them.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. You look really beautiful.
Thank you. Why?
Oh, I came to give you this. Yes.
All this for me?
Yeah. You can add this as well.
I should give it to my brother.
No. It's yours. It's yours.
All this money for me? Oh, thank you so much, brother. Thank you. This is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You know what? Call me whenever you need anything. Okay?
No, you've done enough already. It's fine.
It's fine. Just call me.
Are
Okay?
you sure? Okay. Thank you so much.
I think...
Should I get you water?
No. I'm running late for the office, so
Oh,
I'd like
okay.
to leave now.
Okay.
You can call me anytime.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much.
You are leaving. Okay.
Go to
Yes.
around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around.
But why is he giving me money?
He gave you all this money.
No, give it to my brother.
No! Okay, you give it to me. Me, I need it.
No, see, he bought all these things for me. Take this. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Give me my money.
No. You will give it to your brother. Me, I want it.
Okay, give me, I'll give you a share.
No.
I will not give it to him again. Just let me have the
Linda,
money.
no.
You like money too much. What's that? Okay, take this. Let me keep that 3.
Thank you.
Beautiful revenge. What goes around will come around. Oh, sweet revenge. Beautiful revenge. See whatever goes around.
Jesse, you'll be fine, okay?
I hope so. But have you seen him with someone else?
Not really. Roxanne is a clean guy, you know. I just don't know why he's doing all this. Besides, he has been quiet about all these things. That is what I don't understand.
Ike, you really need to help me out. Please.
Jesse, I will help you. Okay? I will. Just cheer up. You know, I wish all women would be like you. In spite of everything you are going through, you still love him. You know, why don't you sit him down and then ask him 1 or 2 questions? I think he might, you know, come out with something positive. Just try that, okay?
I will.
You'll be fine. Yeah? Cheers.
Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come.
Now, what to say?
Show me way.
Lena, I've been wanting to tell you something for some time now. And I'm really scared. Really, really scared. I hope that if I gather courage to tell you today, you won't stop picking my calls or talking to me.
Is it really bad?
Yes. Oh, no, it's not.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. I think I have feelings for you.
What?
Lena, come on.
You're my brother, don't do that.
No. Lena, I know this is hard for you, okay? Lena, calm down, okay? Middle, okay? Lena! I'll come back for you, okay?
Tastes great.
Thank you.
I love it.
Baby, you're not eating your food.
I am.
Why you not go chop?
I don't chop, but it's delicious, right?
Oh, that's that. I'll be coming here every day. This is great.
Honey, you're not eating your food.
Yeah, I'm eating.
Hey, Mr. Switch. You always the switch. Food to you the switch.
I'm talking too much for it.
You know. Listen, can I get more of the chicken?
Sure.
Well, let me finish this one.
Sorry.
Nice food.
Honey, you're not eating.
You know, go top one for you. Because they call you money.
I'm not ready to enter the car. Whatever you want to say, just say it and let's go. No, you stop pinching me. What is it? Be nice. Stop pinching me. You better stop judging. If you don't stop it, I'm by the
Let me excuse you, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I am sorry about everything, okay? I just want us to talk.
Whatever it is you want to say, be quick. Because I don't have enough time. And hey, don't try that thing again.
Okay.
I hope this time you're not going to do anything silly.
No, don't worry.
Ah.
Don't worry. Lena, the thing is, I don't want you to walk out on me. It breaks my heart. Okay? Please. And also, I see my future with you.
Roxanne, you see your future with who? Hey, excuse me, I'm not your wife. If you want to see your future with somebody,
expecting you at this time. Why?
Hey, I wanted to catch you and your side chick.
Me, side chick.
This is yummy.
Well, as you can see, I prepared it myself.
This one is your side chick.
Ah!
This is not your hand. No, I know your hands. You don't cook like this. This is your side chick.
Lina, pa.
Yeah. But it's not.
Lina, me. Hey. Is this not bone straight?
Oh, this is born straight though.
Wow. My sister.
Let me not change.
This is high tech.
It's for my friend Doreen.
Uh-huh.
She gave me, you know me, I fit in. Everywhere I go, I
knew
just
it.
fit in.
But you are looking good anyway.
Yeah, I'm upgrading.
Let me take this one. Oh.
Hey, bro.
Man like Roxy.
Man like Ike. My man. Lina. Hey,
Hi,
Lina.
bro.
You're back.
Yes, please. Let me excuse you guys. Yeah. I'll see you later.
Okay, give
You can sit.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Lina,
Hi, bro.
bring him some of the food, okay?
Oh, no. It's fine.
Oh, why?
Charlie, bro, what's up?
They are fine.
Ike! My
Man like Roxy.
My man.
Roxy. Charlie, by this time, what's up?
Me ba best friend here. That's how they wear me brother man.
Hey. That's so free baby never.
Man like Ike.
Time with you. I dey believe you.
Charlie, as it stands, I'm confused. Like, he's just everywhere. You go to church, he's there. Going to the market, you see him tell you, I was coming to buy tomatoes for my wife. You go to here, he said, oh, today I decided to worship with you. I mean, Ade, he's just everywhere and I don't like it.
Madam,
Oh,
you
I
are
need
not
some
dating.
space.
Madam, you're not dating, no. So what's your problem? You are free. You're free to be with him. It's all power problem any day.
The problem is the wife. She's just good to me. Me feeling bad. Like sometimes I feel so bad sleeping with a husband. Trust me. This is not right.
Virgin Mary. Clap for yourself. Bisanyuma nipa mienza. Why adio? Una obeche ni nyanza. Onu notice kako wari oba no nim se wa wari ene odi wechi. Una obeche ni nyanza.
Hey! I don't you talk too much. What's that?
It's not King Solomon again, it's Queen Solomon. Who is Dorothy? Me. Madam, you're friend me Dorothy. My name is Doreen. Yes, D-O-R-E-E-N.
No. You look as a madam, so and you girls, you're not ready with my hair. Okay. Doreen, me. I wasn't here. I was not here.
Am I expecting you to be here? I didn't see Miss Rono. Miss Rono.
Listen, cameras everywhere.
Into there. What's the worst she can do? Sack me. No, I'm training.
Me, madam, I'm not part two. I was on my own. Okay. Yeah.
For God's sake, we made love last night and everything is okay.
That was a mistake, and I regret it.
What? A mistake? You regret it? Free me. Please, let me go.
If you want me to beat you, so you know that you're free, then continue to live in this house.
Whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
I say, you know, it's a good one for you.
But why? Like, what's sister?
Maza, you're careful. What? Okay, Juma, Ade.
What's sister? Could you one can't share me? I wanted to give her some money for her upkeep.
Oh, it's not too late. You can equally give me that money.
Like, me first can you
Oh, nah, then. Roxy, you know, say I go give her. Maybe man no.
We don't need sure. I'll see her myself and give it to her.
Anyway, no problem. But Charlie, Bibi near make us see top. Abi, you know how we do.
Me sure. Also, we are I can't hide anything from you. I'm there for you.
Rock.
Oh, Charlie, I was saying, I like to run, but we'll talk. Why?
But you just came.
I know. My time is late, so would you ever casa? Why?
Roxy!
Yeah, sure.
Charlie. Boys.
Lena, why didn't you tell me before you left the house?
Why didn't I tell you what? Must I tell you wherever I go and whatever I do? Hold on. Why are you behaving as if you're my boyfriend, Mr. Married Man?
Don't you see me as one?
Are you? When did I accept your proposal?
Lena, stop treating me like that, okay? We are literally...
Hey! Is that how you treat her? We are in public.
What are you talking about?
Your wife.
Lena, I love you so much. I cannot control it.
You're married. You can laugh too. You are married.
I don't care. I love you. Lena, I love you. Please. Please. I cannot control it. Please.
Whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. I take. Say you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. I take. See, you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. Oh, sweet revenge, beautiful revenge. What goes around will come around. Oh, sweet revenge, beautiful revenge. See, whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Remember what you gave to me. Now I'm giving it back to you. What goes around will come around. If you do me, I do you. It no be crime. Yeah. What goes around will come.
Hey, hi. How are you? Hey. So is this what you do when I'm not around? Huh? Don't you have orders? Hey, so what are you doing?
TikTok, I was helping you advertise the hair.
Have I told you to advertise something for me? Look at her face. Hey, don't you have hair to straighten? Huh? TikTok. You are not serious at all. You are not serious. And how can you be a human? Someone made the TikTok. Huh? Look here. This will be your first and last time you do this. Do you hear me? Stupid girl. Nonsense.
I'm sorry, ma.
That's okay, my girl. Hey, keep it up, eh? Keep this habit up. Yeah, you mading. Nyanya skawate. Na bibi we die, ndi na chi. In dinner, see, yes, I like bear, but sir, no dinner hall. Sana how life bear. And you, don't do this again. Do you hear me? Nonsense.
The other day, he lived there. The one who Dimechi sa. I'm going to name so Dimechi. I'm name so Dimechi. Guy, that guy need Dimechi. What the Dimechi sa? Masa, it wasn't easy at all. Charlie, that's a time of cool. I feel.
Oh, I'm okay here. I'm fine.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Because of late, the way she dey behave, you know, you for go out.
Like, yeah, okay. Besides, when him say meche, oh, me worry. Alright. Me person me call washroom hono. Me call my sister. Alright.
I'll go washroom out there. Ubi be ako.
Sure. Me person me boni na go me move. I want to drink everything before I return. Then I'll continue with this.
Man like Roxy.
Alright. We'll come.
Look out.
Hey, Lena.
Hey.
Why are you sleeping at this time of the day? Are you okay?
No.
You're not well. Now, I go ahead. Hey. Oh dear, sorry, now we don't go hospital.
No, don't worry, I'll be fine.
Lena, please don't be stubborn. Mr. L, sorry, now we don't go hospital. Why?
I'll be
fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's okay. Get up. Slowly. Take your time. Can you walk? Lena. Yeah, Akukuduna catch her. I'll be there to defend you.
You think it's easy? You think it's easy for me to tell my brother?
Lena, just tell him. I'll be there to defend you. He's my friend.
And I'm his only sister. Don't you get it? Roxanne, please. I can't. I beg you of you. I can't. I beg you, I can keep this. I beg you, please. I need to. Roxanne, I can't. Please. Let's abort the baby.
Lena.
Please.
Lena, that is the best thing I can do. If it doesn't go well, you can sort it your own way.
Is that what you're telling me? Roxanne. Roxanne. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Hi, Doreen. Doreen, I'm dead. Oh. Yeah, I'm coming down. Doreen, there's a problem. You need to come right now. You're pregnant. You're pregnant. Okay.
Whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge.
Into when you mean now, Wilson.
I go kill me. My brother will kill me.
I said, with the baby, we'll just flash it out.
Flash what?
I don't open some.
So what is flash out?
Now, cry into oh, yeah, no for protection.
I didn't protection minimum.
Hey, Lina, prio. I didn't make you kakre do beside me.
What's the one, Jeremy?
Fio, who was a minium? My name da. Hey, so we are now there.
Oh,
into one.
Yeah, so I'll give you some of the provision.
Oh, if a millionaire now there. Into one. No. Into me, auntie. No, don't worry. We'll just flash it out. I need one doctor. So you're pregnant.
I'm serious. I go kill.
Don't worry, hey. I'll help you sort it out. I've got this doctor somewhere. Don't worry. This is nothing for you to cry about.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. Don't trust me again. We'll do it. Next time, oh yeah, now what the protection?
I will do it again.
You do.
I will not do again.
You do it, oh.
I will not do again.
You will do it, oh.
Me.
You.
I will not do.
You that you were doing it and you enjoyed it and what by them?
I will not do.
You will do.
I will not do.
Madam, you will do.
I will not do.
I will make you do it.
This one is nice.
Yeah.
But your face was not nice. I don't any mind. Ah, this one you're ugly. No, it's bad.
Hey, what is that?
It's so ugly.
Look at yours.
Oh, bro, please.
Okay.
No, this one delete it.
And
I don't like that
I will
one.
post it
Post it where?
on my Instagram page.
No, you have to post yours. The one that you are ugly.
No, I won't. I'll post yours.
Yeah, I don't like that too.
Where is the one we were wearing that?
That same outfit.
Yes.
Yeah, it's inside. But that one is hard copy.
Yes.
So that one is hard copy. Okay. That one is nice though.
Yeah,
It was really nice.
Let me get
okay.
the
No, let me see. Let me go through. Hey, the pictures. It's nice though. Hey, what keep you waiting now? Wow. This one is nice. Hey, this one is nice. Old pictures. I love it. This one is nice. Hey, this one is not nice, girl.
God, this malaria.
Do you know what is this? Lena, after all we have been through, you chose to get pregnant.
Let's go, let's go.
Lena, who is responsible?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you talking? Who is responsible?
Roxanne. Roxanne. Your friend. Yeah.
My friend Roxanne? He got you pregnant?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please do not hurt me, I beg you.
Roxanne got you pregnant?
I'm sorry.
Roxanne got you pregnant?
I'm sorry.
Don't get out. Get out! I'm dead.
Hello, hang on.
Where is that husband of yours?
Why
Where is he?
Why are you shouting? What's going on?
You. How dare you?
What's going
How
on?
dare you, Roxanne?
I guess she has finally told you I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Really? You are telling me in the face?
Pregnant.
Roxanne, you impregnated my sister?
What's going on?
I'll show you what I am made of. Okay?
Hey guys, stop please.
No, let me teach him a lesson.
What's going on? What's going on?
You cannot mess my family up, okay? You can't mess my family up.
What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Ike, why are you fighting your friend?
He is not my friend, Jesse. This hooligan can never be my friend. Okay? Now read my lips.
What's going on?
I'll make your life miserable, Roxanne. I'll come after you.
Baby, what's going on?
I'll deal with you.
I
come after you hard.
What's going on? Honey, what? You really need to tell me what's going on.
Lena, I am sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Please give me a chance to wipe away all the mistakes I've done. Lena, I want you to marry me.
What? You want me to marry you? I don't get it. Have you forgotten you're a married man? Marry what? No, listen. I'm not gonna do something. And then, Lisa, I forget. My brother is going to get rid of this by tomorrow.
Lena, he will do no such thing. Okay? He will do no such thing.
Roxanne, I can't keep this. I can't. I want to go home. Please, I want to go home.
What are you doing in my house? Ike, if you are a man like me, I dare you to go and remove that pregnancy.
She, we are bemba to semia. Ko, na ko yin sen no. Ami ka se mi chiro. Me, mako police station I call report me won say yin sen e media. Now if you want to rot in jail, go and remove it. I will let my lawyers deal with you. And I'm talking to you as a man because of the love I have for your sister. Hey, stop there.
Roxy, you will be surprised at the kind of things I am capable of doing when it comes to Lena. Roxanne, I swear to God, I will make your life miserable. Like, we will see about that. Now get out of my house. Get out! Get out. This is my house, and I said get out. Move. Now. Your husband is the problem. Can you imagine? He literally came here to warn me not to touch the baby. Who does that?
He did what?
Does that even make sense in the first place?
Nah. We shall see. Postpone the date and I know what to do. Okay?
You better warn him. Talk to him! Jesse, you know what I can do. Just talk to him. Else, I'll make his life miserable. Trust me.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
I learned you don't want to abort that baby.
I don't owe anyone an explanation. But if you insist, I will never abort my baby.
You can't do this for this marriage.
Not for a box of dollars.
Honey, I have loved, care. What haven't I done for you?
Minye.
Wonye. Wonye. Hey, yabeshe.
Obeo.
Yabeshe.
Obeo.
What goes around will come around.
Really?
Oh, sweet revenge. Beautiful revenge. See, whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah.
What is the problem?
I want you and your sister to come and meet our family for clarifications.
If that will solve the problem, fine.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
Yeah, Roxy. Mami no dia sambe too many. It's like me tears here. Into wa, the person who explain us from trains is anything.
I don't know what she's talking about. Asem no kana meaning.
Yeah, wano na kasa oti ho.
That is a senior mekan. Wakwa konyim onu anadamfo nia. Wakwa konyim. Me ye bibiama Roxy. She knew who I mean no. Me man ni je. Me make sure say we are okay. So I don't know what's wrong with him. So I don't understand the reason why I obetimi akonyim onu anadamfo nia. Akonyim. What's your name?
Roxy. Oh no no. What is some of Okano? And your pastor work on Obi. Kasadin, make it Okano.
Guys, speak. Damn, Pacha, no cry.
La ilaha illallah.
Ah.
Okay, I call you. Jesus Christ. Make it Samuka. Get one little butune. Yeah, why Vika? Yakusuka Samu Kunya. Who are you? Mommy? Oh, no, no,
I am a mama.
Da. Also, being sorry and yanadekwa. Do you see any?
I don't know why Stephen be like that. I don't know.
So funny.
See, he can call me and he'll be like, Ike, Charlie, wait. Send me some money. As if, why would you be the good bottom? I don't know why in life this so.
Speaking about Stephen, I just remembered I have some documents for him to work on for me.
Really?
Yeah, make a call.
Charlie, but before that, Charlie, my throat will make dry. You don't get anything chilled. So I can't serve you, no serve me. I don't know.
Sorry,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
So actually, this be your house. See, wife, you know, they go the fridge there. Take anything you want drink.
See you.
Take anything.
See you.
Oh, I left my phone. Make a call.
Oh,
Stephen for
see
your.
you. You make a good thing.
Make a call, Stephen. Make a call,
Stephen.
Yeah.
Stephen, he be a low guy. You don't know. They come.
Yo, Steve. Have you received the documents? Oh yeah, try and work on it for me, okay? Okay, bye. Man, Steve. It's late. Let me call my wife. Ike.
Charlie, no be so.
Yeah, Charlie. Yeah.
That guy be a low guy.
Charlie,
You don't know.
have your phone.
Charlie. So what's up? What be the action?
Charlie, we could go the pub there. That side.
Where?
The pub. We could go. Charlie, let's go have fun. Let's go drink.
But how come you not?
We'll go have fun. Let's go have fun, Charlie.
You today you feel the switch.
Ike. Let's go.
What goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge, oh sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. I take. Say you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. I take. See, you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. Oh, sweet revenge, beautiful revenge. What goes around will come around. Oh, sweet revenge.
From then, I lost all hope. I had insecurities.
Will surely come around, yeah. Remember what you gave to me. Now I'm giving it back to you. What goes around will come around. If you do me, I do you. It no be crime, yeah. What goes around will come around. If you do me, I do you. It no be crime, yeah. I gave you a taste of your own pill. That no be crime. What a beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. What goes around will come around. What a beautiful revenge. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet
I had no one to trust. I cried every night hoping to let it go.
Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge.
I have to introduce new additions. I couldn't find a place in my heart to forgive, so I decided to revenge.
So this is what happened.
What do you say? You say na me tete. Huh? I say, no, do you want me power show. Now, why you tell me say you want to do work? Me who must see? Damn who? Or no? Na me say we are me anu ma fi ya flu back. E kira me say you unu akra na ye me nwanwa. What is say me anu? Na wutimi di say e di unu ya. Na me say me inu e bia me nu unu ya me ba no. Me ni me dia ko stress ba we wo. Na we na wa mama fa me wo fi akurasi aba ka me wo di ma papa bibi. Aba chie ni mguase say poto. Ah! Papa, me pa so me ma odi bi mo ate. Me sra mo. Mo fa nche me, wo na oba no mo fa nche me. Nsema na maka kire ma si wa hu. Nyame na so makoma mka ba yo kra de kama tete no.
Roxanne, please, can we get rid of the baby? I
Yes.
can't. Please.
Lina.
Please.
Lina, please. No, Lina, you won't do that. Okay? Lina, you're going to keep the baby.
What?
Then I'm going to marry you, okay?
What?
Okay.
Say, Minka bibi. Oh, say onyanko ba na je okunu no. Obu, sani enko. Jimi enti onyanko ba wa je okunu. Sani enko. Wani mi gba se so.
You know I love you.
Me fi oko. Na love hwan. Se ni egu wachi. Na wo ti kwa da onyanko ba je okunu. Ko na me nyina me. Ai ura ko. Oja ya mo. Wo. Go.
Let's go. There's nothing that I'll tell you now.
Whatever goes around,
Surely
come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. I take. Say you do me, I do you. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Yeah. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. Oh, sweet revenge. Whatever goes around will surely come around. Beautiful revenge. I take. Say you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. I take. See, you do me, I do you. Do unto others what you want them to do for you. Oh, sweet revenge. Beautiful revenge. What goes around will come around. Oh, sweet revenge, beautiful revenge. See whatever goes around will surely come.